Welcome to the best picks. The best cleaning caddy is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning organizers for busy individuals and professional housekeepers alike, offering a convenient and efficient way to transport and store all your essential cleaning supplies. This video will dive into the top features to look for when choosing a cleaning caddy, helping you select the perfect caddy to streamline your cleaning routine and boost your productivity, saving you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Casabella Cleaning Caddy. This caddy makes cleaning so much easier. It's designed to hold all your supplies and keep them organized. See? It's stylish and functional. The translucent gray lets you see what's inside, and the orange handle makes it easy to carry. Keep your cleaning products neatly organized and within easy reach. No more searching for what you need. It's cleverly designed to nest perfectly on top of compatible Casabella buckets. This saves space and makes carrying everything a breeze. Transport your cleaning supplies effortlessly. It's compact for easy storage when not in use. It holds a surprising amount of cleaning supplies. You can fit everything you need for most cleaning tasks. What we like? It offers a compact and nested storage solution. If you have limited space but need to carry cleaning supplies efficiently, this is perfect for you. Its clever design makes it ideal for small apartments or those who prioritize space-saving solutions. What people say. The translucent gray color is a nice touch because it makes it easy to see what is inside the caddy without having to dig through a pile of cleaning supplies. The orange handle adds a pop of color to the design and makes it easy to carry the caddy around, even when it is fully loaded. One of the things I really love about this caddy is how sturdy and durable it is. It is made from high-quality materials that can withstand frequent use. This is a very nice caddy, which looks as though it will bear the test of time. Plenty of room to carry a selection of cleaning product, without bending under the load. Number 4. FifthStart Cleaning Caddy. It's the ultimate organizer for all your needs. Use it in your car, as a diaper caddy, at the beach, or to keep your cleaning supplies tidy and easily accessible. Carry it comfortably with the adjustable handle, waist, or shoulder strap. Its sturdy design keeps everything balanced and secure, no matter how you move. With 5 adjustable dividers and 4 outer pockets, it holds everything you need without the rattling. Plus, it includes a mini bag dispenser and alligator clips for extra convenience. Made from premium materials, it's built to last. The mesh base dries quickly, preventing spills and keeping things hygienic. It comes with a 2-year warranty. At 11.4 by 10 by 6 inches, it's the perfect size for all your organizational needs. What we like? This caddy boasts adjustable straps for comfortable portability and multiple pockets for maximum organization. If you are looking for a versatile and comfortable way to carry your cleaning supplies, this is the one for you. Its multiple compartments and easy clean design are perfect for busy individuals who need to stay organized on the go. What people say. I bought this bag because I work as a cleaner organizer interior designer at an Airbnb company, and this bag has so many versatile pockets and I'm constantly using it and bringing it everywhere I go. It's durable and just does a great job. I use this for all my cleaning supplies. I got the large. It gets heavy when full of products but very sturdy. Shoulder strap and carry handles make it easier to move around. Holds a lot. The extra D-rings are very helpful as clips on the caddy for hanging rags that I want to use again after switching products at any time. The adjustable compartments are helpful as well. I have no negative issues with this product. Number 3. Wearable Cleaning Caddy. This innovative caddy is designed to make cleaning easier and more efficient. It's perfect for keeping all your supplies organized and within easy reach. It boasts a spacious interior with multiple compartments to hold all your cleaning essentials. The high-quality, water-resistant material ensures it's built to last. With adjustable dividers, you can customize the interior to perfectly fit your cleaning supplies. Keep everything neat and easily accessible. The comfortable shoulder and waist straps allow for hands-free cleaning. Carry it effortlessly around your home or even in your car. It's ideal for various cleaning tasks, from housework and car washing to gardening and more. Keep your cleaning supplies organized and ready to go, wherever you are. It features multiple pockets, including deep outer pockets, a mesh side pocket, and even a trash bag dispenser. Plus, a reinforced bottom keeps it dry and clean. What we like. Its wearable design and durable construction make cleaning a breeze. If you like hands-free cleaning and need a sturdy, long-lasting solution, this is a great choice. The multiple compartments allow you to customize the organization to your specific cleaning needs. What people say. I have several caddies, but this bag is far superior with its pockets and dividers to keep you organized when cleaning. I clean residential homes and this is professional looking while also super functional to carry all your supplies in and out easily. Versatility of short handles and a shoulder strap enables you to adjust easily as needed. Such a great size and perfect for organizing. The mix of large and small pockets is perfect. The heavy-duty, padded shoulder strap is also high quality for when you've really loaded it up. With this organizer, I can clearly identify all the products that I am taking with me and have room to store everything I need. It's sturdy enough to throw in the back of a vehicle, yet still is comfortable enough to carry as a shoulder bag into the property. It's well constructed and the stitching seems like it will hold up under frequent use. The material is also something that is easy to clean. There are plenty of pockets to keep things separated and put bottles in so they don't fall over and spill. I like the mesh bag on one and for dirty rags so they're not stuffed in with other items. Number 2. Wearable Cleaning Caddy Bag. It's a cleaning caddy that you can wear. With a handle, shoulder strap, and waist belt, it's easy to carry all your cleaning supplies. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit, no matter your size. It keeps everything secure and upright as you move. It has multiple compartments and pockets to hold all your cleaning essentials. Nothing will be left behind. Carry more tools at once, improving your cleaning efficiency. It even has space for your phone and other personal items. Made from high-quality Oxford cloth, it's easy to clean and maintain. The mesh base allows for airflow and prevents the buildup of moisture. It's more than just a cleaning caddy. Use it to organize and carry other items, too. What we like. This caddy offers ultimate portability and ample storage. If you need to carry a large number of cleaning supplies comfortably, this is the best option. Its adjustable straps and large capacity make it perfect for professional cleaners or those with extensive cleaning tasks. What people say. With ample space and multiple compartments, they hold all my cleaning supplies securely. The adjustable straps are comfortable to wear, allowing me to move freely while carrying everything I need from room to room. The durable material and sturdy construction ensure they can handle heavy loads without tearing. Multiple pockets for good organization. It looks great, very sturdy stitching. It holds plenty of supplies and even extras that I may need, so I don't have to make multiple trips. This lightweight but very durable. Number 1. Mighty Tuff Cleaning Caddy CD0170. This caddy is perfect for organizing your cleaning supplies. Its large capacity and durable design make it ideal for any room in your house. It easily holds paper towels, spray bottles, and even gardening tools. The 2 large sections keep everything separate and organized. The molded handle makes it comfortable to carry around your home or garden. It's easy to transport and use anywhere. Use it as a bathroom organizer, shower caddy, or to store gardening tools. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. Made from durable plastic, it's easy to clean and can handle heavy loads. It's built to last, both indoors and outdoors. Its sleek design and portability make it perfect for the house, garage, yard, or dorm room. Carry your essentials with ease. What we like. It provides a large capacity and comfortable grip for easy transport. If you need a sturdy and spacious caddy for heavier cleaning supplies, this is a great option. Its durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. What people say. This caddy is a cleaning MVP. Sturdy, spacious, and rugged enough to handle all my supplies without cracking under pressure. The dual pack is a bonus. I thought at first these might be a bit flimsy until I received them. Wow! These are heavy duty and can hold a lot of stuff. I have no issues with the handles and they are very sturdy. This fits cleaning supplies on each side very well, preventing them from just falling over. I use one caddy for general cleaning supplies and the other for window cleaning supplies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.